Hi everybody. Winter and baby are super hungry. And hey, we need some name suggestions for baby in the description. Nom nom. I'm not making Winter eat. She has the ability to stop any point she wants. Nom nom. Alright, now Winter is big enough to control it herself. Baby, on the other hand, is still a little bit too little. We still need to help baby. Come here, baby. Come on. It's slippery out here. It's a little bit slippery on those, huh? Yes. There we go. That's better. Oh, baby's hungry. Oh, mama. And then I check the crop to make sure the crop's filling up. Still hungry, Winter? They do that. You got to be careful with that. If you have two tiny ones like this guy, and you have two little ones like this, if they do that to each other, they can actually injure each other's beaks. So make sure that if you have little babies that are doing that, that you don't let them. The reason why is because it actually will cause them to regurgitate, and one of them will eat the food that was already in the other one's crop, therefore stealing its food, therefore causing it to lose weight and become weaker and potentially even sick or die. Now, real quick, look how much this cute little baby has developed in just a little time. Look at this. All those feathers. Careful, honey. And I just found out that apparently these stripes down here, you see on those feathers, are very common for females. Not necessarily only females, but they seem to be more often a female thing. I haven't looked into it too much yet, but I'm going to look into it some more, but it looks like there's a possibility or a higher chance that maybe our little baby is a girl. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. But look at all that beautiful yellow that's coming in. That beautiful silver color. Baby has all over its body. The crop is getting covered. And the cheeks are coming in. Look at those. It's crazy how much they change within just a few days, isn't it? All right, now today recording is my daughter Boots. Say hi, Boots.
Hi.
No eating from each other. Nope. Nope, no eating from each other.
No kissing.
Come on. Get rid of the poo-poo. All right, then Mama go get some more food, okay? Looks like baby could use a little bit more. Actually, nope, baby's done. Alrighty, y'all. It's okay, Winter. You've had lots of num-nums, and you got all messy. Look at that. Winter got all dirty. Winter, did you get messy? Did you get messy, Winter? Are you a messy eater? Are you a messy eater? Winter has also started to fly towards us now when she wants attention and when we call her, specifically when we call her or when she gets hungry. It's a great indicator. And her feathers are coming back in, covering that little bald spot that was caused by the other birds prior to us getting her.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
And she's doing really well. She's dirty right now and needs a shower. Make you do. You need a shower.
You mean she needs a small bath?
Mm-hmm.
It's
a lot harder to keep a white bird white.
Yep. Make sure she doesn't get stained.
Winter, can you say hi? Say hi, Winter. Hi, Winter. Hi, Winter. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Winter.
Looks like she's covered in baby food.
Right? For everybody who's new to the channel, this is Winter. She's a, we believe that she's a female only because all the other albinos that are the offspring from her parents turned out to be female. So the odds are that she's also going to be a female. But we don't know for sure. There's not been any DNA tests or anything. There you go. And then little baby looks like baby might be a female due to those little feathers. Now baby's not going to stop crying for food because baby's a baby and is always hungry, even though the crop is full. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and have baby go ahead and go back in her nest. Which is just a simple enclosure like this that has a special pad underneath where it's placed. And she sleeps right next to me where I sleep. And that way I can hear her if anything is going on. I can check on her on a regular basis. And we can know that she's safe. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put her aside. I'm going to grab Pikachu so you can say hi too. Here, why don't I take you guys with us? Come on, Boots. You want to go say hi to Pika? Where's Pika? Pika! Where'd you go? Hi! Hi, Pika! What are you doing? Are you playing? Oh, are you giving your toys kisses? Are you giving your toys kisses? Oh, you had enough, Winter. You're okay. What are you doing? You give kisses? Mwah. Yay, Pika! Yay! Yay! Pika, 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 Pika. Pika, 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 Pika. Pika, 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 Pika. What are you doing, silly bird? What are you doing, silly bird? Are you playing with your bell? Oh, kisses. What a sweet bird. Where you going? Pika. Pika, where are you? Are you climbing up? Are you climbing up? There you are. Hi, Pika. Hi, Pika. You come to Mama? Hi. Hi, Pika. Up. That's all the attention I get. Hi, Pika. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, Pikachu? What are you doing, Pikachu? Pika, Pika. Hi, Pika. Hi, Pika. Pika, 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 Pika. Yay! Yay! You're not going to do it for the camera? He stretches up usually when we do yay. He stretches up and then he goes back down and ducks. And then when we say yay again, he stretches back up. It's so funny. What are you doing, silly bird? Pikachu. Pika, 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 pika. Yay! 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 Pika! Pika, 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 pika. You are done? Who's that? Alrighty, Pika. He said bye-bye. He said, I love you. He said, I love you, Pika. Pika doesn't like it when I touch his wings. Look. Doesn't want me to watch. Let no. Go in. What happened? I'm gonna get your toes. 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 He doesn't actually bite. I'm gonna get your toes. I'm gonna get your toes. Ooh, I'm gonna get your toes. See, it's not biting. Jelly bird. Alright, Pika, say bye-bye, everybody. Say we hope you liked the video. We know it was a long one. Sorry about that. And everybody, don't forget, go on the previous video about our baby cockatiel that we're currently calling baby. And yes, it's a bunch of seeds down there. I need to clean up the table again. Come here, Winter. Step up. Good bird. Go on the previous video, if you like to, where it's titled, You Name Our Baby Cockatiel Chick. And give us some name suggestions for our little tiny baby cockatiel that you got to see at the beginning of this video, eating his or her food, as we will be letting you guys decide the baby's name. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, Winter. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping in. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye. Love y'all.